Australian home prices have soared despite falling at the start of the pandemic. As Roger Maynard reports, it's been fueled in part by the return of Chinese buyers.
To that fact should it come time.
It's a wet Saturday afternoon in the Sydney suburbs, but that hasn't deterred would-be bargain hunters and the simply curious from keeping a weather eye on the real estate market. On the other side of Sydney, in the prosperous middle-class suburb of St Ives, this five-bedroom home has attracted a big crowd, many of them of Chinese descent, a fact not lost on the auctioneer.
And I'm going to do my very best to say, Xinyan Kuai Le, which is my best attempt in Mandarin at Happy Lunar New Year to all of our wonderful guests here today.
Most of the bidders are looking for somewhere to live, but some are primarily seeking a good investment, and the fear of missing out has ignited a real estate frenzy. No one predicted the current Australian property boom in the middle of last year as the pandemic took its toll and economic conditions worsened. Some experts were predicting a fall in real estate values of up to 30%. How wrong they were.
Last 2 weeks the price surprised everybody. Surprised agent as well. I think that the vendors, the buyers all got a surprise. 10 to 20%, some houses, yes.
The double-digit price growth in a matter of weeks is partly due to low interest rates, the easy availability of money, and a severe shortage of housing stock. So when a property comes on the market, there's intense competition among buyers. However, it's not the same with apartments. Values and rents have tumbled by up to 20% in Sydney because of a lack of tenants and few buyers. But the mood is changing, particularly among Chinese investors.
I'm sure, given Australia's very strong cultural and economic connections to China, that Chinese investors will be looking quite closely now at particularly the Melbourne and Sydney markets, and maybe particularly the Sydney market with its prospective double-figure prices growth this year. But it's a different market. It's not so much new apartments that are driving the Sydney market now. It's more about standalone detached houses.
Back in St Ives, with bids of more than $3 million, this house has already exceeded its reserve. It's only seconds before the auctioneer brings down the hammer.
Third and final call. We're done. We're silent. We're sold.
It's a good result for the owner. At $3,180,000, the final price is $200,000 over the reserve. And the signs are there's still a long way to go in this extraordinary property boom. Roger Maynard, CNA, Sydney.